First step, click on Customize Channel. Scroll down, you can see Add section. Click on that. There are a lot of options like section with popular uploads, short videos, lives that are going now, past live streams, and so many. If you want to separate sections like tech and Photoshop tutorials with separate videos, click on the single playlist and create a playlist with videos that you want separate. Click on that and it's added. You can shift places and you can do anything. The main final thing is click on the publish. If you won't click, it's not gonna save. Now check out, it's added. If you want to remove this, again go to Customize Channel. Again scroll down. Click on the options and remove section. And again publish it. And it's removed. Bye.